Patricia Scotland wants to smuggle Mnangagwa into Commonwealth despite 3 violent military coup on Chamisa and election rigging. Sandabana mashoko anoonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana the secretary aiwa Patricia Scotland aiwa Commonwealth oda kuadmita Zimbabwe nekubackdoor kunyange zvainyanzozikamwa kuti aiwa vakomana vakaita military coup, and on top of that they've got elections which they flagged. Sandabana mashoko amdanyu pana blog subscribe like or turn the bell icon. Timina mzimangiro vachiti the Commonwealth secretary Patricia Scotland has released a document that discusses Zimbabwe's proposed re-entry at a time Emmerson Mnangagwa has woefully fallen short of standards by using the military to rig the last 2 elections, getting condemned by the UN rapporteur and even the regional Sabc observers. And Mnangagwa has proven he is heading to a 3rd term by publicly threatening wishful successors with death. The document outlines Zimbabwe's progress towards rejoining the Commonwealth, but it does not confirm that re-entry has been approved yet. The report concludes by notoriously requesting Commonwealth heads to consider allowing Zimbabwe to submit its formal application for readmission if no objection are raised by the specified date. The Secretary General will invite Zimbabwe to proceed with the formal application in line with the 2007 membership process. Therefore, the final decision on Zimbabwe's re-entry appears to depend on further steps, including formal application and consensus among member states. To mashoko anobuda aiwa mutsamba inobuda chonekwa kunzi aiwa Zimbabwe noda kuri-admitiwa mu Commonwealth. Panoonekwa kunzi aiwa vanhu vakona kuti ma-unions akaita sana Commonwealth nana Sabc aiwa vanhu vachinyatsomadzwisisa kuti are they still following their mandates, kuti are they still executing their roles. Vanhu pavakuona kuti aiwa zvinhu zvakungoitiwa for the sake yekungonzi ma-leaders agara angori ma-pocket leaders vachingotora ma-resources vachingobenefita on themselves and ma-citizens achingoremaina ari neglected. Tudzi mafungiro eimbo tikudipa musoro wechitiko ichi pena kuma section medu, so subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.